Once you've checked out a book, you can always go back to the book by selecting your backpack icon and then going to checkouts. And then it'll tell you when your book is going to expire, but you can always return it earlier. So then you select open now. It will take you to wherever you left off when you were last reading the book. So if it's the first time you're opening it up, it will just go to the first page. So I'm going to go to the first page. You can navigate by either clicking the arrows, or you can always just use your arrow keys on your computer to go back and forth. You do have some additional capabilities within the platform. For example, some of the books have text-to-speech, so you can select the play button and it will highlight as it reads. You can also change the speed at which it reads, and you can change the voice as well. You can also highlight information within the text. So, for example, let's say this is something I wanted to remember. I can highlight it. I can click on it, and then I can underline it if I don't want it highlighted in a specific color, or I can change the color if I want to. I can also choose the sticky note icon over here, and I can write myself a note. You can also bookmark important pages, which is especially helpful if you are teaching a lesson, maybe with this book, and you want to draw students' attention to a specific point in the story. You can put a bookmark over here. And then what happens is when you go into the menu, which you can get to by clicking and then selecting the 3 horizontal lines, you can go into your notebook, which will give you all of your highlights and your notes. You can also edit or delete from here too. And you can also click the tab so you can see places that you've bookmarked. You can delete them from here as well. Also within this menu, you can search for specific words. So if, for example, I want to see every time the word cargo is mentioned in the plain book, I can search for that word and then I can click to go to specific parts of the book.